There's only one bike out here that leaks oil.
Not this bike.
It's this bike right here. Look at that oil leakage. They're right off that front axle.
Yeah, let me pick up this oil.
There you go. There's that oil leak.
Yeah, it's a different type of oil. I'm putting that Tribodyne on. This is a different type.
All right, what year is Joe's old bike?
89.
89. That was an 88, right? So it's 89.
88.
So you have a spline. You have a tapered shaft.
Tapered shaft.
Okay. Do you have a starter cylinder on the front of the motor or on the side of the motor?
Huh? I don't have one. This doesn't have it.
You have a solenoid.
Oh yeah, but it's over here.
But see, it's not over here.
It's over here. But you know that inner primary is that they have the same because there's the bolts to bolt it up too to it.
They didn't machine it for it.
Huh? Because you can see that they
See,
still
this
have
does
the,
not have a solenoid sticking out,
Yeah.
so that makes it a late 89. The solenoid's right here, but it's a gear reduction starter.
Oh, who added this?
I don't know, not me. See, this bike over here is an early bike, so
Her
it
laugh
has
was getting to me.
so it has a solenoid right here. It works everything, and this has an old style starter. So this is old bike, and that's a new bike.
You got a pin?
He's got a Sharpie.
Pins are over there, blue, somewhere over there. Way down there's a blue one. So what'd you do to this bike, Jeremy? Everything. I know you put these ugly ass bars on here.
Ugly bars, comfortable bars.
I do like the yellow part on them. I'm not supposed to show.
Yeah.
The yellow rookie stripe is on there. Right there.
I'm surprised that's the only thing he's talking shit on.
Well, the cable's not very good either, but I know you got a problem getting it, so it's hard to find the cables. It needs to have the one with the 45 here. It does leak oil. Yeah, that oil is right underneath your bike. All right, so it's a late 89. And this is a dual disc, so it's a sport version. And it's got the taller fork on it too. There are 2-inch taller forks on these. You got way too much chrome on this bike.
Too much chrome?
Too much chrome. That's right.
Too much chrome?
See, Joe didn't like this bike. He liked his old
This bike
bike.
had a different paint job.
He liked his old bike. He didn't like the way this one rode. Before he bumped the front end.
He didn't do it. Someone else did.
Someone else did it? Oh, okay. So what's the Deutsch connector for?
I don't know. You tell me. You put it on there.
I did that?
Yes, you did. You got a video too.
Me doing it?
You got a video from I don't know.
1820?
Is that the number?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought you actually remember the number.
That was the year.
Because you guys put that different module on there, and you wanted to use that.
That way I can take it on and off easy.
Yeah. And now it's in the way of my starter because I had to put a new starter on there.
Well, take it off. Just take it off.
Just cut it.
Just take it off. You don't need
No,
it.
I tucked it in now, and it's at least up and out of the way versus.
I don't do stuff for looks. I do it for function. Did it work? There. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
How come you don't have a black air cleaner cover full of holes like his?
The what?
You don't have a black air cleaner cover like his full of holes.
You know, it can't all be the same.
This is the lower grade chrome version. So do you on this motor? Anything?
Not yet.
Not yet? Oh no, not another one. Are you going to take the extra cam that he got? It's going to go in this bike? Is that the
I
plan?
was going to ask. What cam are you putting in that bike?
So whatever one doesn't go in that bike goes in this bike, I guess, is how this plan's going to work. Now this one's got the screaming turd exhaust pipes on it, or slip-ons, and stock head pipes. That would be annoying. Rattle, rattle, rattle. I'm not much for these bars. I'm sure a lot of people like them though. Ooh, that is not good. Where's all this free play in the clutch? I got squat for free play. Not much.
Well, just workers' comp in general.
How come you ain't got no free play in your clutch?
Huh?
How come you ain't got no free play in your clutch?
I do have free play up there.
Not much.
Hey, it pulls.
It pulls, but it's for how much longer?
Let's see. Over here. That's what I always check.
There ain't much in there. It's supposed to have an 1/8 inch. There ain't no 1/8 inch in there.
I don't like slop.
You don't like slop?
I don't like no slop.
So you like the clutch let way out here where it lets out? You like it out there?
Yeah.
I like it over here. See, you got no free play to go way out there before they.
But I'm not going off the line.
See right there, it's way out there is where that one digs in. No, you don't want it right there either. You want it right there, right where you know where it is. See, right there where it works good. That's where you play with it. Boom, then you let go.
Is that it?
Tell you it's supposed to be right.
You can have it if you like it. You can't until they do some repair work.
Is that a rusty one?
Repair work.
Something wrong right here.
on the
There's
lip?
something wrong right there?
Oh, you
Fitted?
galled up the washer.
I didn't. You sold it to me like this.
Oh, it's my fault now.
What,
You told me about
what
it.
is that one?
It's a
It's Andrews.
Andrews EV
35.
35.
500 list.
Yeah, the washer got galled up for being too tight, so it's got to be put in a lathe and just square cut that. You'll be fine.
Cool, check it out.
So put it in your lathe and just clean it up
Check
a
it
little
out.
bit.
All I have is a wooden lathe at my house.
Perfect. Wood lathe will work. Cam lobes are good. Yeah, it's a pretty new cam.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look.
Hardly got any wear on it at all. Yeah, got a few miles on it, but not too bad. But yeah, they too tight. People don't check the end plates and they just slam them in the bikes.
Oh.
I don't know what a 35 is going to do for power, but
Yeah, I don't know. I have to look it up.
yeah, it's going to be more than a 27, but not much more.
Yeah, I think 27 is like the mildest as you can.
It's the stock one.
That's almost the same as that one, the other one, the cream one I got.
So what? You only got the 2 cams?
Huh?
You only got 2 cams?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I only need one.
All right. So you look to see what the lift is on it. If it's under 530, it's 530 down, it bolts right in, no problem. If it's 550 or 60, then springs are probably going to be needed. So other than that, should be good to go.
Yeah.
Assuming you got a stock one in it. We got a pulley we can put on the bike too if you want. It's got chrome cover, it looks perfect.
The chrome cover.
They look nice on there. Nice chrome cover. What's he got on this bike? Oh, look at that ugly black one there. Look at that ugly black wheel. Yeah, you need that chrome one. Someone got an ugly black pulley on the bike.
That's custom paint.
You need that chrome one on there. You need a chrome one on there.
Oh, I have those.
Get it fully dressed out. All right. We'll see what this sounds like in a minute. All right, you gonna make some noise?
So what's the first thing I should do?
Do a burnout. Just you're supposed to turn the gas off, put it in gear, and then start it.
No, first thing you do, make sure it's in neutral.
Oh,
Come on.
do you have a neutral light?
Right here?
Oh, oh, look at that. It's all kinds of noise. Yeah, I know, look at that. Look at that. That's the one up that corner. There you go. Makes all kinds of noise. Joe, he slipped in the oil out there. He slipped in his own
You know what I
oil.
forgot to bring?
New Harley.
Pressure plate. I mean the spring.
Spring. Diaphragm. Oh well. Alright, we'll get back on this.